my god, this looks so delicious and gorgeous. I can't wait to eat. Hi everyone, today I'm making chicken drumsticks. The sauce I'm going to marinate with is the original Piri Piri sauce that I made before. This is one of the ways that we can use this sauce for. I will marinate the drumsticks with the sauce and roast in the oven. It is going to be so delicious. You can eat it as a snack or side dish. I can't wait any longer. Let's get started. I have 5 chicken drumsticks here already clean. Give a few cuts on the both sides like this so the marinade penetrates evenly inside the meat. After finished cutting, add half tablespoon of sea salt or to your taste and 1 teaspoon of original Piri Piri sauce. This sauce you can use to your taste too. This sauce I made in my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, you might like to watch it now. Here is the link. Now marinate very well. Cover with plastic wrap or plate and let it marinate around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes looks beautiful and well marinated. I also already turned on the oven in 180 centigrade. Now on a tray use parchment paper and spread a little bit of oil. Add drumsticks. After you place it like this, season with a little bit more oil. Bring it in the preheated oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn the drumsticks over and roast them for 15 minutes more. Now we are done. Let's plate it. Looks gorgeous and so tempting. Garnish with some piri piri and spring coriander if you like, and enjoy. This is such an easy side dish. Without any effort we can make it. It comes out so delicious. You can eat it as a snack or side dish. I hope you like this quick recipe. The full recipe is in my website pabskitchen.com. This is it for now. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment on the comment box below. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now and click the bell icon to get the notification of my delicious future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.